Don't close it. Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Haroon. Please subscribe and share. We have today 2005-6 Nissan Maxima, and this piece here, they call it AC amplifier, is sit here. The problem is that while this is like a radio screen or air conditioning screen, if you put any quarter or penny or money here, it goes through this place here and it go right away inside, and it creates short in this module in this car. And then this is a gateway module, the same gateway module and AC amplifier module too. This one is connected to the AC switch. When it go inside there, it will create a problem that the gauge is not working, a car security light come on, it will create a chaos. Sometimes the car starts, sometimes doesn't, sometimes with a vibration. When we open it, we found that we have a penny, right? 5 cents inside. Only 5 cents and 10 cents will go here. So if you buy one from the dealer, it's coming close. If you have a car and this thing never happened to you, try to put a tape there, close it, so that at least you don't have to have this problem in the future. So in this car here, we open it, we found the problem, we're gonna put it back. Now come take this video. We're gonna continue to put it back, because when we take it, hopefully it's gonna work. Sometimes the signal works, sometimes not here. So we take it out and we're gonna put it back. Same way here like this. Please, you don't need this card anymore. If somebody call, no, it's okay, because the battery. This one here for signal, the signal, how did it go through? It was outside, after the oh, it must. Sorry. That's why more than 5 doctors have to be under the patient. If not, they're gonna leave their scissors and all their stuff inside. So this is the place that the money get into. Call it pity bag. Free pity bag. So now this is your system.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, camera.
Mm-hmm.
Down.
Yeah, it's from there. Good. You know why this guy come out?
Yeah, we can move it in about 5 minutes. You got 5 minutes?
If you say
Is
so.
this here? Chris, maybe this one, right? That one. For me, now here you see this. It's from the top or from the bottom, I'm not sure. Or this from the top.
got me, man. Just a white.
Okay, that's the whole issue about this car here. Yeah. That's all about this car. So please try to, if you have this problem here, as I told you, money can go here and mess up your car, and you're gonna have no startability, communication problem, gauge drop down, all this stuff will happen. So please, if you have, try to take away your, take out that thing, open it, and you're gonna get some money there and change that. You know, like if it burned, you have to change. Right now, this car is supposed to start easy, no problem. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. Please subscribe and share. I'll see you in another video.